You check your bank account on payday. The money hits, and for about 48 hours, you feel okay. Then it disappears. Not on anything crazy, not on holidays or designer clothes, just life, groceries, rent, transport, a bill you forgot about. Maybe a takeaway because you were too tired to cook, and suddenly you're sitting there, 2 weeks before the next payday, wondering where it all went. If that has ever happened to you, this video is going to explain exactly why. And it's not what most people think. If you're new here, this is Weston Invest, because nobody got wealthy by accident. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you the real reason why so many people earn decent money and still feel financially stuck every single month. This isn't about budgeting harder. It's not about cutting your coffee. What I'm going to show you goes much deeper than that. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Let me paint you a picture. There's a guy, let's call him Marcus. He's 28 years old. He's got a steady job. He earns about $3,000 a month after tax. By most people's standards, he's doing all right. Marcus isn't reckless with money. He doesn't gamble. He doesn't buy things he doesn't need. He's actually pretty responsible. But here's what Marcus's month actually looks like. Rent takes $1,100. Utilities and phone, another $150. Groceries, $300. Transport, $200. Subscriptions he barely uses, $80. Eating out, maybe twice a week, $200. And a few random expenses that always seem to show up, another $150. That's $2,180 gone before Marcus has even thought about saving a single dollar. What's left? $820. And that $820 has to cover everything else. Any social event, any emergency, any moment where life doesn't go exactly to plan. Marcus isn't doing anything wrong, but he's caught in a trap. And millions of people are in that exact same trap right now. Now, most people, when they feel like this, they blame themselves. They think, I just need to spend less, or I need to earn more, or I'm just bad with money. But here's what nobody tells you. The problem isn't your income, and it's not your spending. The real problem is something called lifestyle absorption. Every time your income goes up, your lifestyle absorbs it, almost automatically, silently, without you even noticing. You got a raise last year? Your rent went up? You started ordering food delivery more? You upgraded your phone? None of these feel like big decisions, but together, they consumed every extra pound or dollar you made. Economists call this lifestyle creep, and it is the #1 silent wealth killer for people in the $2,000 to $6,000 per month income range. It doesn't matter how much you earn. If your lifestyle grows at the same speed as your income, you will always feel broke. Always. But here's what changes everything. The people who actually build wealth on the exact same income as Marcus, they don't earn more. They don't have a secret strategy. They made one decision differently, and that decision rewired how money moved through their entire life. I'm going to show you exactly what that decision is. The decision is this: pay yourself first. Most people get paid, and they pay everyone else first. Landlord, supermarket, Netflix, energy company, phone company, and then at the end of the month, if anything is left, they might save it. But wealthy people, people who built real financial security on ordinary incomes, they do it in reverse. The moment their income arrives, before they pay a single bill, they move a fixed amount into savings or investments. First, automatically, non-negotiable, even if it's just $100 a month to start. Here's why this is so powerful. When you save what's left over, you're letting your lifestyle decide how much you save, and your lifestyle will always find a way to use every dollar. But when you save first, you're making the decision before your lifestyle even gets a chance to absorb the money. You live on what remains. And here's what most people discover. They adjust, almost immediately. Back to Marcus. Imagine Marcus starts moving just $200 a month into an index fund the moment his salary arrives. That's it, just $200. At a 10% average annual return, which is the historical average of the S&P 500, Marcus's $200 a month becomes $15,000 after 5 years, $45,000 after 10 years, $152,000 after 20 years, from $200 a month. Marcus didn't get a promotion. He didn't win anything. He just changed the order of how his money moved. That's the only difference between his old life and that number. Now here's the part that most finance channels skip. The reason most people never start paying themselves first isn't ignorance. They know they should save. They've heard it 100 times. The real reason is identity. Somewhere along the way, they decided they're the kind of person who is bad with money. And once you believe that about yourself, every financial decision confirms it. You don't invest because people like me don't do that. You don't save because I never have anything left. But Marcus, after just 3 months of paying himself first, something shifted, not just in his bank account, in how he saw himself. He stopped being someone who was bad with money. He became someone who invested. That identity change, that one shift, made every other financial decision easier, automatically. The money was always there. The decision about who gets it first, that's what was missing. If you're earning $2,000, $3,000, or even $5,000 a month, and it feels like you're running in place every single month, this is your starting point. Not a bigger salary, not a perfect budget, just one decision, made in the right order, repeated consistently. The people who built real wealth on ordinary incomes didn't do it because they were smarter than you. They did it because they started. That starting point is available to you right now, today, this week. This is Weston Invest, because nobody got wealthy by accident. And if you want to know exactly what to do with that first $200, where to put it, which accounts to use, and how to make it grow as fast as possible, that's exactly what the next video covers. It's right there on your screen. I'll see you in it.